Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdul Basit and I hope that you all are fine, you all are doing great. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn diphthongs, double vowels, also known as glides, vowel glides. Okay, in the previous video, I talked about monophthongs or single vowels. Okay. I hope that you have got the complete understanding of the monophthongs if you have watched that video. If you have not watched that video, you better watch that video for the better understanding of this lecture, for better understanding of diphthongs, double vowels or vowel glides. So, to make the topic easier, to make it much more interesting, I'm going to give you a sentence that contains all the diphthongs. Okay, and the sentence is, play my boy. Now there is no fear and care and we are not poor. Okay, well, there are 8 diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs, and there are 2 types of diphthongs. The first type is closing diphthongs, and the second type is centering diphthongs. Okay, in the closing diphthongs, the tongue glides from open to the close, and in the centric diphthongs the tongue glides to the center. Okay, so let's begin with closing diphthongs. The first one is a. Okay, and in this vowel the tongue glides from half open to half close. Okay, so the sound is a, as in play. The second closing vowel is I. In this vowel, the tongue glides from open, back open to half close front. Okay, the tongue glides from open to half close, and the sound is I, as in my. The third closing vowel is, closing diphthong is oe, as in boy. So in this vowel, the tongue glides from half open back to half close front. Okay, so the vowel is oe, as in boy. All right, so now we are going to talk about the other 2 vowels that are also closing vowels, but in these vowels tongue moves from the back. So the first is ow. Okay, as in now, now. So the tongue glides from back open to back half close. All right, and the second closing vowel here we have is o, as in no or go. The tongue glides from half open to half close back. So these are 5 closing vowels that we have in English. And now we are going to talk about the centering diphthongs. So the first centering vowel that we have is ear. Ear, as in fear. Okay, so the tongue moves from half close front to half open center. Okay, And then we have air, as in care. The tongue glides from half open front to half open center. All right. And the third one that we have is oor, as in poor. Okay, so the tongue glides from back half closed to center half open. So these are 8 diphthongs that we have. Now we'll talk about the position of lips when we utter these diphthongs. Okay, the first diphthong that we have is a. Well, at the beginning the lips are neutral, and at the end they spread as we glide from a to e, as in a. Okay, and then we have I. In I, the lips are open at the beginning and then they spread at the end. And the third one we have is boy. At the beginning the lips are in rounding position. There is lip rounding at the beginning and then they spread. All right. Then we have ow. Okay, at the beginning the lips are almost neutral, and at the end there is lip rounding, as in the word now. And then we have o, as in no. So at the beginning again the lips are neutral, and at the end there is lip rounding. Okay, and then we have the centering vowels. Okay, in the diphthong ear, at the beginning the lips are spread, okay, and then they are neutral at the end. Again in the diphthong air, as in care, the lips spread at the beginning and then they are neutral at the end. And in the last one, oor, as in poor, there is lip rounding at the beginning and they become neutral at the end, as in the word poor. Okay, oor. All right. So dear students, this was all about today's video. We discussed 8 diphthongs in this video. I hope that you have got the complete understanding of these 8 diphthongs. Well, there are 2 types of vowels, monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are pure vowels, okay, and the diphthongs are known as glides or double vowels. All right, so I hope that you have understood it very well. If there is any problem, please ask anything in the comments. I'll try to answer your comments as soon as possible, and if you have any suggestion in your mind, please do not forget to share that. If you like the video, if you like the content, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done yet. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.